Another community in southeast Clarendon has been placed under quarantine to contain a spike in COVID-19 cases. This time, Sandy Bay, the Health Ministry, Clarendon Health Department and Southern Regional Health Authority took the decision because of wide-scale breaches of COVID-19 safety protocols. Here's Krista Campbell.
Another quarantine for southeast Clarendon, and this time it's the community of Sandy Bay that's under the radar. Residents not happy about the lockdown, but health authorities say it's the price they have to pay for not following the rules.
They don't wear masks, they don't sanitize, and they don't keep social distance.
2 positive COVID-19 cases from the community are being treated at the Maypen Hospital. One is an imported case. Investigations and contact tracing pointed to 6 positive contacts of these 2 hospitalized cases. Following surveillance in Sandy Bay and neighboring communities, health authorities had several concerns. People gathering without face masks at a church where there were several persons with respiratory illnesses. Members of the church have since tested positive for COVID-19. Another 13 persons with symptoms have been tested. In the neighboring community of Rosewell, 2 confirmed and a suspected case of the virus. Several persons from Rosewell also attended the church in question. The health authorities took the decision to quarantine the Sandy Bay area for 14 days starting today because of the considerable risk of further transmission and infection.
The health department was out there. They asked them to come and do the COVID test. But everyone locked up in the house and wouldn't come out. So they had no choice but to lock it down.
MP for Southeast Clarendon, Pernell Charles Jr. says more contact tracing will be done during the quarantine period.
To make sure that we can identify anyone that has come in contact with someone who has now been confirmed.
And anyone with COVID-19 symptoms who traveled to Sandy Bay or made contact with anyone from the area is urged to contact health officials right away. Health officials say because Sandy Bay is so densely populated and there's been high movement from persons within the affected households, exposed persons may develop infection and cause a rapid increase in the numbers of positive cases. PMP caretaker for Southeast Clarendon, Patricia Duncan Sutherland, is urging Sandy Bay residents to comply with health authorities and to health officials.
The lessons that we would have learned from the last quarantine is let's test quickly. We have the mobile testing unit. Let's get it out there. Let's test quickly. Let's give the results back quickly so people can know how to manage themselves. People panicked the last time because food, they weren't sure exactly how the food was coming. Let's get it there quickly. And there are some areas of that the quarantine area that don't have water. Let's get water to them today.
Under the quarantine, Sandy Bay will be closely monitored and residents' movements will be restricted. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.